Hey everyone, welcome to LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be reviewing the Double Duty 2-in-1 coat by Nykaa and tell you how it exactly worked out for me. I'll also be sharing some of my tips and tricks from which you'll get the most out of any base and top coat that you use. Let's get started. About the brand. Nykaa launched in the year 2012 in Mumbai, which is located in India. It started as an online store that would sell beauty and wellness related products in India. The products sold were different brands from all over the world. Apart from getting international brands, they also gave an authenticity certificate, which means Nykaa guarantees that the products sold by them are 100% original. Now Nykaa also has physical stores and they also make and sell their own brand, which is also called Nykaa. Where did I buy it from? I bought it from an online store called Nykaa. It is a third-party website and they ship all over India. Check the description box for the shopping link. Product packaging. The Double Duty comes in a frosted glass bottle that feels pretty sturdy. The top part is a white colored plastic twist cap to which a clear bristle brush is attached. Cost and lifespan of the product. I paid 249 rupees for 12 ml quantity and it has a lifespan of almost 3 years from the date of manufacturing. Claims of the product. On the packaging it mentions 2-in-1, which means that it can be used as a base coat and as a top coat. On the official website, more claims are mentioned. Provides good shine, tough resistance against chipping, has a UV filter to prevent discoloration and yellowing, constructed with chemically treated glass. The ingredients. Nothing is mentioned on the packaging and on the official website as to what is in the product, but they do mention that it is 5-free. This is a term which is coined by the healthy beauty community. It means that the nail polish is made without the use of toluene, dibutyl phthalate, formaldehyde, formaldehyde resin, or camphor. How to store the product. It is best to keep it away from direct sunlight. Personally, I store mine inside our cupboard. My experience with the Double Duty polish. I'm just going to dive into the ingredient section first. As I mentioned earlier, nothing is mentioned anywhere, which means any ABC ingredient can be used to achieve this XYZ desired product. My nails look a bit bad because I let them grow for almost 2 weeks without doing my regular manicure. I'm also testing out this new nail polish. We'll be posting my review soon. As for fragrance, it gives a strong acetone smell, which does not linger after application. Since it is a base and top coat, the color is transparent. Personally, I have used this product as a base and top coat for my nails. Did you check out my salon style manicure at home video? This is the base and top coat that I feature in my video. It is very travel friendly and it is small in size, and the bottle is also not fragile. I also felt that the bristle quality was really good. A tip I want to mention is that it is better to buy 2 bottles. I use one for base and the second as my top coat. By doing this, I have one bottle with clear polish and the second bottle's bristle will have a bit of color. This is how my nail polish looked at the end of week 2 after the manicure. As you can see, just a bit has faded on the tips of my nails. I'm showing my left hand and I am right-handed. This is how the top coat performed when used on top of a nail art. As you can see, it has done a pretty good job. It has not smudged the nail art. You can even see the individual petals. And regarding the nails getting yellow, I don't remember my nails ever being yellow, so I don't know if this product actually helps with that. Pros and cons. It is a bit pricey. It is very travel friendly. It does have a strong acetone smell, but it does not linger after application. It comes in a sturdy glass bottle. I honestly don't know if it is safe beauty. Lifespan of the product is almost 3 years. There's no logo printed on the packaging, nor could I find any info on the PETA page. But I did find a mention of this being cruelty-free on their Twitter page. Now again, I don't know if it is for the entire Nykaa range or it was for just this foundation. It is easily available for me. My rating. Even though I am satisfied with the product, I rate this product a 1. It loses points mainly because full information is not mentioned nor available, especially in the ingredient section where it is a complete blank. I don't feel comfortable using a product on myself without knowing what is involved. Will I recommend this product to my friends? Sadly, the answer is no. I will not recommend this product to my friends. Main reason is because the ingredients are not fully mentioned. Also, if you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Bye!